Hello everyone, this is Russell Carlin, and this is my week 3 review video. And for this week, I just built off of my last week's app of my theme park here, and it just has all the different locations. And I'm going to go through everything as I explain the code. So let's just start in the first view controller here. And this is all just basic stuff that we've done before, setting the number of rows, setting the cells, populating it all. This here is for the second view. When you click that and this little map pops out, it basically just sets it gets the location, the coordinates, and then it builds a string, and it has the details there, so it has the longitude, latitude, and all that stuff, and the title. And then it uses those coordinates to build a coordinate here for the annotation, and down here it sets the annotation, and then here it just sets the map to zoom right on the area so that you can see the area. And I just kind of picked these at random, that's why it's in the middle of a national forest here, so I just kind of randomly placed them. But that's all of that, just makes all this formatted. And then the button here, which is just to close, and that is right there, the next part. And then there's the basic edit mode to turn it on and off. And then at the bottom is the delete for these here, which I can show you there. It deletes them, and it just deletes them from the title and the array down here, which I use kind of like a data layer, and it deletes the makes instance of it and then deletes the whatever in the row. And yeah, so that's all for the first view controller. Second one just has a map of all of the points, and in here it just makes, here's the zoom, and sets it into the middle of the United States, and then has the zoom so it's just enough to see everything. And then it goes ahead and commits it there and sets the map to that. And then down here, this is for the annotations. It just goes through a for loop and puts annotation for each title in the title array. And that was one thing I wanted to I couldn't figure out how to make it so that when you delete them in the first view, that it would change it, because as you see, I already deleted one up here. I deleted the top one. I can delete a few more, and there should be like 7 now on the other page, but it doesn't change these because I have a different instance of my data layer on each one, and I couldn't figure out how to edit that so that they share the same variable. I'm assuming I'd probably need a delegate or a global variable or something. I'm not sure. I was fiddling with it just before I did the video here, and I still couldn't quite figure it out. But I'll probably fiddle with it some more, just because it's bothering me now. I really want to know how to do it. So, but this just goes through, like I said, a for loop and sets all the annotations, and that's basically all for that view. So, and as I said, that's one thing would rather have done better, is just making it so that that worked. And that should be all for this week. All right, thanks for watching.